Oh, yes, it is working. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. It will be centered. The flat colors. Okay, I'll be using the flat colors for the login box. Mm, okay. The color has to be same with the logo with the button. Okay. Yes. This page. Okay, understood. Yes. Yes, I will be removing the top bar. It will be the HRV section will come to the top. I'll have to have to work on the buttons. Need to use flat colors for that, and it should look like buttons. The search video section should come down, and instead of search videos, we can have our logout options, and we can squeeze that area so that we can have more section for the content. And next thing is that we have to for the circles we have to use the same height which is having above the circles. We have to keep the same height for the bottom sections. For the heading of demo watch meter, notification center and resource center, we have to use the font century gothic, and the boxes has to be in the square size, not with the curvy borders. Yes. Yes. And I'll be checking the borders with my designer so that we can easily know how to get this thing. The borders actually are those are only colors, so flat color may work. I'm not sure, but I have to check. Okay, so if possible, then we can increase the height of the boxes. In that case, we do not have to bother about the space that is on the top. We can make up that by increasing the height. Actually, it is circle. If actually it is circle, so if we are increasing the height, the width will automatically be increased. Yes. No, no, no. It will. The area will be like same, and I will have the same space on the top as bottom. But the thing is that in that scenario, I will be increasing the height and width of the circle. Understood. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. I got that. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I'll be replacing the flat color with the gray ones. Actually, for my question is why we use the check mark? Is it needed? Yes. Okay, I understood that part. I have to change the color of the tick mark whenever the video is played and have to use the light blue and dark blue. Okay, understood. Okay. Actually, that is not possible for a developer or designer to fix that thing. The height of the left and right should same. Actually, we are working with a responsive theme, and for responsive, everything is independent. So we can have two boxes, full boxes, and we have to use the minimum height of every box or maximum height of every box. But is it good for the user to use a scroll bar for this section? Because scroll bar is applicable and can be easily done. but is it I don't think it will be looking good for user point of view. Actually we are having one video right now. Let's have 8 to 10 videos. I think in that scenario the height will be same for both. And this is a Twitter widget and this has to be come with a fixed height. We can do one more thing. We can remove the gray and turn into white and use white instead of gray. In that scenario, yeah. Yeah. So for Twitter, can we move that section to anywhere else? On the circle box area. We can use the small box like 250 pixel height. In that scenario we have to fetch the records from Twitter, and that will be a time taking one. I cannot be delivering the project by time if I use that. I can fetch any records from Twitter, like I can fetch the um, notifications, the followers, the tweets. I can fetch anything. Actually, it is not giving width. The thing is, it is not. It is only giving the height. It is keeping the default width, and we can increase or decrease the height. That is the only problem by using a widget. Let's have this for now. Let's complete all the requirements and the details that we have discussed, and later on we can move to the phase 2 when it is delivered. Okay, then in that scenario we can remove the Twitter for now and can deal with blog and videos. Or we can do one more thing over here. We can center everything. Actually on this scenario we are importing everything from the social media, correct? So currently it is showing Twitter, blog and videos. So we can have Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. And use the same width box for everything. So we have to keep with this width of the Twitter